Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add friends and DM on Discord the right way. Want to learn the right way to add friends and send direct messages on Discord? So let's get started. We're also going to learn how to add by username, by sending friend requests and starting private conversations without accidentally spamming strangers. Connect with your friends easily. Time to build your friends list. Here's the correct way to add friends and send direct messages on Discord without being that person. Now from the home page, you can see suggested friends will be given to you. You can see invite more friends down here, and then you can tap on this to share the link. You can copy the link here and share on your status. You can see your popular apps that you've used and people that you normally contact. Then you can also copy the link by tapping on this link icon, copy it and send to them directly, maybe through messages. And then you can also tap on the add friends bar, and then you can share invite here to your friends, or you can copy the link or send through messages or email or Telegram. Then you can also add by username. Even though the person's username, you put it there. And let us say this is actually my username, but let's say this is the person's username. Then you tap on send friend request and it will be sent. Why was it saying that this is actually my username? So you see, it's quite simple. Don't forget, you need their exact username. Type it carefully, add a note so they know it's you, and send the request. So once they see it, they'll see a pending request. Once accepted, it will show your new friend appearing online on your home screen. So they will appear in your friends list. Then when you click on the friends name in your list, the DM window will open. For example, let's say this person accepted my friend request. So once I open it, you can see I sent a friend request that's not been accepted. So if the person accepted, it will open, let's say this page. This is the DM page, and then once it is open, or the DM window, you can now type it and send a message like, hey, what's up? To DM them, just click their name and start chatting. It's quite easy, and that's the right way to do it. No more guessing usernames. You are now a Discord pro. If this helps you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, easy tech guides. See you in the next one.